I'm YouTubing right now, but I'm about to take a break from this here, and I'm finna go upstairs and like get my outfits ready for the Cancun trip. What we represent, man?
Big money bound.
Say, let her know, man.
Big money bound.
I'm about to go upstairs. And get my outfits ready, but first, I'm gonna grab my suitcase. I'm gonna take the purple suitcase. I guess the purple one mine. We really just trying to get everything situated. It's kind of junk in here, so yeah. This the last one I had when I went to Montana. Yep, last one I used this when I flew to Montana. Come on, Louis. Louis, come on. Come on. See, I see little Louis running up out of there. All right. What was that? Oh, that's the... I'm not even familiar with the sound that the dryer makes when it's done because Jody always take care of that for us. All right, so right now, I'm ready to just get my shoe game. I'm getting my shoes on point. I ain't gonna show y'all my fits yet, but I'm gonna show y'all my shoe game, what I'm gonna be wearing while I'm out there. I got all my shoes. I'm gonna put in this carry-on bag. If you don't got you one of these and you're a sneakerhead, you got a lot of shoes, this is mandatory because y'all know that going on the plane, like packing for travel with your shoes, it's the hardest thing to do and keep them in nice condition without like beating them up. But this bag right here, private label, shout out to them, is very good. Nice little carry-on. And you got multiple spaces for your shoes. Shout out to them. Not sponsored, I'm just keeping it real. So I got my feet. I'm working on my feet. When you go on a trip, when you go on a vacation, it's all about feet and good eats. Feet and good eats. So I'm getting my feet right. Mandatory. In case you go to like, we got plans to do like, Jody really just want to like, what you want to do out there, babe? Relax. She really just want to relax, chill, kick back, and look at the sun, not do nothing. Cause she feel like she did enough. She was pushing naturally and she feel like that's enough. Enough is enough. She need a vacation. So I want to go like ATV and like the 4-wheelers. But then I was like, no, I don't want to risk getting hurt. You feel me? Yada, yada. But then I still may go. So when you go on ATV and you got to take some shoes that like, some throwaways or some shoes that you have in your closet that you don't wear. The shoes I'm going to wear, y'all might say I'm crazy, but I'm going to wear them. I'm wearing these here. Yeah, I'm wearing these here. I forgot I had them, but man, that's some limbs. Hey, this is how I live. Feet and good eats. Forget what I'm telling you. So I'm going to take these here just in case we go ATV and just in case. So I'm taking these, and when I take these, I'm going to wear it with these right here. I ain't supposed to be showing y'all the fit, but you know, RRT Posse, y'all been rocking. I got this vacation time, so I want these to be messed up. I buy my baby boy his shoes. If he don't mess them shoes up and beat them bloody, the soles ripped off, his dirty, his scratches, it's just, if he don't tear them up, I'm gonna feel like I didn't get my money's worth. I bought these in, when these came out, 2017, 18, 4 years later, and look at these shoes. I'm finna tear yous up. You getting tore up, I don't care what it is, I'm finna tear these up. And it's like, the way you put it in here, you make your little space for your shoes. And this device here is Velcro. I'm gonna do a review on the bag. If y'all want a review on this bag, just let me know, and I'll get that to you. Put this in here, this Velcro, stick to the side. Right down here. And so there we go. That should be enough space for them pair of shoes. Bam, just like that. And then bam, this pair right here. Bam. I did that backwards, right? Is that backwards? Okay. All right. And this was a B-Day gift from Jody Joe. That's why I love Jody. And that's her with the sniffles. She sniffing. That's my camera lady. She get no sick days. My employees don't get no sick days. So I got these in there. See how they fit nice and low. And then you carry this in there. Like, this is good. But so far it is, you know, mandatory. You got to keep your pair of fresh, all whites Air Force Ones for your vacation. This is like nice and easy. Everything I wear gonna be with Air Force Ones. Just keep it nice and simple so I ain't gotta bring too many shoes. But then I'm gonna have a day where I'm gonna bust out these right here. Y'all know what these is? If you don't, be ready to be dazzled. Bam. Gotta take them with you. That's mandatory. And you know I got the hat to match that. You know hold on. Y'all, cause y'all, hold on. Y'all think I'm playing. Hold on. Hold that camera. Hold that camera. See, y'all think I'm playing. I ain't supposed to be showing y'all this, but y'all know how I'm rocking. Come on now. I'm gonna throw that on that. Cause that's just how I'm living, y'all. That's how I'm living, y'all. Doing the final preparation for packing. Jody told me I shouldn't put this underneath the plane because they may bust open this. What you said they may do?
Actually, we'll use this as your.
You said they may bust open a suitcase and take this?
Yeah.
I could be going. I'm asking Jody how many times you flown. I don't flown so many times nobody never bust my bag open. She said, "Well, you going outside the country this time?" I replied, "They took McCreed. They got McCreed. They got McCreed cologne, man. Y'all got me." I don't even wear cologne like that really anyway. But it's just a little... I had this since...
put your deodorant and stuff in there too?
Bro, I had this since like 2017. Look how much is gone. Like, I don't... Bro, I don't really... You feel me? So... Do what though?
Put your deodorant and stuff in there too.
Oh, you bought deodorant from... I don't know what my bags are. Oh, you left my stuff downstairs?
Downstairs.
Left mine downstairs, huh?
Come down.
You got yours up here though. Man, the room is like a mess. We trying to get it together though, man. We like, you got Louis back there. You got the suitcase right here. You got another one right here. We just trying to get it right, man. It's the night before. She putting a little ointment in. You know, Jody taking care of scalp. That's real. You know, we big on like the hair health, all natural. You got to no heat. No chemicals, all organics. Like, that's why I don't put no grease on my head. I put like juice and berries and like guava mango. That's why my stuff's so wavy. But I'm finna continue to get ready. And we should pick up back. I don't know when we're gonna pick back up with y'all, but y'all say peace out to Louis. Louis going to Monty house.
Oh yeah, I forgot we had to go take Louis.
Sit, Louis. Sit. Louis, sit.
Which bag should I bring?
Sit. Forgive him. He disobedient. Forgive him. He know not what he do. This your carry-on. You trying to decide between this or this. And we going outside the country. You talking about them busting open bags, but you bringing this or this.
This is going to be on me at all times.
Yeah, that's going to be on you at all times. That may be worse. That may be worse. All you letting them know you got it.
We ain't got it. Which one?
Yeah. I feel like that one right there is more raggedy. Like, that more to be thrown around. That's more like, yeah, that cost me more money. I wouldn't take it. I cherish that.
This one, I do cherish this. This was my first designer bag.
Yeah, I paid for that. So I think you might want to cherish that. I will never get rid of it. This here's more like, that's more like loose end. That's like a loose end.
This one's more expensive though.
That's like a loose end right there. This right here is more like sophisticated.
You got your passport.
I've been had that. I live it.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you know where it is.
I live it, dog. Passport.
Shit.
Passport. Right in here. Boom. Remove before flight. Take that down. Bam. Passport. I'm ready. You gotta put your ass right now. You gotta come by me. I'll come to the side of me. With your luggage, though. It's about that time, y'all. Yeah, him no. That's just how I live, though, you feel me? Everybody different, though. Everybody live different. I don't pack all this stuff in the back here. Lift all this up over all this. Lift this over, hurt my back and everything. She in the front, really just relaxing. But that's how it go. Let's go! Let's go! Damn. I'm bud. Damn. Hold up for the parking. Oh yeah. scoot over a little bit. See, I'm trying to park like this here. Cause this car here, I don't know them. And it look like they don't give a damn about nothing. So I don't know.
Randy,
Better calling her mom. What happened?
It can't barely.
Made it to the airport. First thing Jody Joe do, she called her mama, check on her baby. She gonna be doing this all the time, just keep checking on her baby, checking on her baby. Now she gonna kind of know how I feel when I'm way out there in other states, way across the wherever. And I'm away from a jet for like 2-3 months, you feel me? So she gonna know. Grandma gonna watch him? He doing it? He doing it? What he at now?
She on the bed sleeping. She said he just fell asleep. He woke up at 4.
We're sleeping.
Wait, Moin, Welly. Okay, Moin.
Private label. Be careful, you alright?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
You're starting already, thank you. Dog got one bag. Shorty got one bag. What I tell you, dog. Shorty got one motherfucking bag. Don't worry about it. Yo, enjoy your one bag. One bowl. On that one bowl. Dog got one bag, but made it to the airport. Our plane departs at 10:30. It's 7:50 right now. Jody said we had to be here 3 hours early. I've never went to the airport earlier than an hour. I know y'all probably saying that's cutting it close. I've never missed a flight. I have been heard my name called over the intercom, last call. Randy Dick Money, last call. They finna leave me, but they never left. So I'm not really a fan of coming here this early, but Jody Joe, she in charge, you feel me? So I just let her do her thing, no. But I could use some help with all these bags, though, but as long as y'all see what's going on, man, y'all see this. Kind of confusing. That is kind of confusing. Sitting over here, I don't know what Jody doing though. Jody don't sit with the cool kids. Straight. That is why I sit when I ride. I'm chilling though. Chauffeur, come and take me away. So I've been standing in this line for 5 whole days.
Here's the printing area. It's not. Let me go over with Uncle Gary.
It's the TSA line. Nobody in here. This lady got me here 4 hours early. I'm here 4 hours early. It's only me and Jody in line. But she insisted though. I'm at the airport 4 hours early, dog, for just me. Oh, you gotta stand on the ground with no shoes? Oh, you wild. See, I gotta take Jody like traveling more often. Cause like I told y'all, the part that I dread about the airport is when they gotta make you take your shoes off and you gotta walk on the floor. They made my baby do it with it. She had no socks on, so she's a little upset right now, but you still going to Cancun though, dog. Still going to Cancun. I don't like it either. The lady, Jody was trying to get some socks out of the bag. The lady said, can't take nothing out your bag. But I'm getting socks. Can't take nothing out your bag. As y'all can see, we did everything except eat breakfast, so right now I'm starving. But stuff in here is like highly overpriced, so I may just eat something I got in my bag. I got a little snack in my bag I can eat. Eat the snack that's in my bag. I got my own snack. Got my own snacks going in. So now we just waiting for an hour and a half. Messing with Jody Joe, man. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna just.
I'm gonna go get something to eat. I better go get some shit.
So now do you think I'm free?
You don't want nothing?
No, I'm good. I'm free. I don't know why I came there. I could stop and got me some breakfast at Denny's, Aha. Now you hungry? I'll tell you.
So you say you don't want nothing?
Now you hungry, dog. I'm good. Now she hungry though.
I'll be back.
That one that just caught on fire, didn't it? I think that just caught on fire a couple days ago. Bro, I've been waiting to go on vacation for how long, man? I can't wait to leave, dog. I can't then sit down, I'm anxious, man. I can't sit down, I'm anxious, dog. But Jody back there scared, man. She's sleepy. Jody's sleeping. Don't play sleepy now. Don't play sleepy now. Don't play sleepy now.
As a reminder, this is an international flight. Please have your passports open and your boarding pass ready. Once again, please have your passports and the boarding passes when boarding.